another video. You are watching Phone Zone Talk today with me, Karishma, and today we are going to discuss about none then pocket-friendly and best gadgets out there, which will be less than 20K or less than out 800 ग्राम्स. यस, आज हम जिन गैजेट्स की बात करने वाले हैं वो 2020 के ऐसे रिलीज है जो आपके पॉकेट में बिल्कुल भी कॉस्ट नहीं करेंगे या दे विल बी वेइंग अप्रोक्सीमेटली लेस देन 20K or 800 grams out here. As well as when we talk about these gadgets, we can say that we are going to discuss about the good and the bad points so that you know which kind of gadget you should hire and you should purchase. Because there is a thumb rule for every gadget out here that you should wait as long as you can because brands often surprises us. तो ब्रांड्स ने हमें कितना सरप्राइज किया है वो तो आपको इस वीडियो में पता चल ही जाएगा because 2020 has been an amazing year for the gadgets itself. Yes, not for everyone out here, but for the gadgets it is really an amazing year because we get to see really abundance of gadgets with some amazing qualities, amazing specifications, as well as we get to see some exciting offers with them. So talking about the first brand, which is our Motorola One Fusion Plus. Yes, अगर हम Motorola की बात करें, it is really an amazing thing to see that Motorola is bringing amazing gadgets, is improving itself in the design and structurality, as well as when we talk about this Motorola brand, then we can say the structure, not just the structure, internal functions are also changing. Everything is changing. It has evolved over the period of time. Now talking about Motorola One Fusion Plus, we can say that there are good points and bad points for it. So let us discuss about the good points first. Number one will be the battery life. Yes, we can say that it has got really a good battery life out here. You will find a very great, amazing battery life with great talk time, great standby, multimedia out here. Apart from that, you will also get a powerful processing system in it. Yes, if we talk about the processor in it, it is really an amazing processor, which is a very powerful processor out here. Talking about the camera out there, we can see it has got a decent camera out here. Yes, the camera is quite decent out here. As well as you get to have that it is a near stock Android gadget. Yes, near stock Android gadget. As well as you will find that it has got a loud bottom fitting speakers. They are not just the normal stereotype speakers out here. They are a loud bottom fit. They have been fitted at the bottom out here, not a normal stereotype, but an amazing quality. But as we see that every gadget has a pro and a con, and so it has some disadvantages too. Talking about disadvantages, we can say that it is quite big and a bulky model out here. Yes, we can say that it is slightly heavy version gadget out here. Battery life is really good out here. We have already said that, but it is slightly slow in charging. Fast charging nahi dekhne ko mil raha. You will not find that it has got some fast charging out here. It is not that much fast out. As well as when we talk about the camera, we say that it has got a decent camera. Picture quality is good, video is good. But when you come to a low light like night vision out here or some where the lighting issue is there, so you will find that the video quality is slightly poor quality, we can say. And when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant is offering a different pricing. It is more than 15K, but is very less than 20K. So you can say this gadget can come in your pocket under 20K or 800 grams. Yes, less than this. So overall, if we have to rate this gadget, then we can rate it 8 out of 10. Yes, we can rate 8 out of 10 to this gadget. Now let us talk ahead and move to another gadget, that is Redmi's Note 9 Pro Max. Talking about Max, we can say that Redmi Note 9, Redmi Note 9 Pro and Note 9 Pro Max, this was a continuous series released out back one after another. Now when we talk about this variant, we can say that Redmi Note 9 Pro Max was a variant which is really much better than the previous Note 9 and Note 9 Pro. Structurally, it is same. If you see the structure, they are actually same. The structurality is same. Placement of camera is same. You will everything actually same out here. But there are really minor differences because of which it is an advanced version of Pro Max Pro as well as normal Note 9. Talking about this variant, we can say it has got good points in the processing. It has got a powerful processor out here, as well as you will find that it has got the fast charging. Yes, the charging is quite fast out here, as well as you will find that it has got a good camera, as well as a battery life, which is amazing. Its battery life is super amazing that it lasts up to a day, entire day. This could be said that it is an amazing version out there. Whereas when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you some disadvantages also. Like it is slightly heavy out here. Yes, this is slightly heavy. Uh, Whereas you will find that it has a pre-installed boltware out here, which identifies that the system is slightly, we can say within it, there are some disadvantages within the internal systems. We have got a good camera, but a major disadvantage with Redmi's Note 9 series was that it has got an average video quality with low light. Whenever low light is there, it has got an average video quality. Now when we talk about this variant, we can say it has got a good performance. We can say overall the value of product could be said as good. You can definitely try out for the valuing of product. Like if you want to invest in a good brand, then you can definitely try out Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Overall, if we have to give it a rating, then I would give it 8 out of 10. Yes, 8 out of 10 would be something I would give to this variant, because offering these kind of specifications, it offers really good structurality out here. Now let us talk about another variant, which is none other than Poco's X2 out here. Yes, this is a series out here which is weighing less than 20k. Yes, you will find these gadgets within 20k, but they are not very less. They will be more than 15k Indian currency के according. 15k से ज़्यादा होंगे, मतलब around a 730 or 750 dirhams से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा होंगे, but less than 800 dirhams we can say. Now talking about this variant, we can say that Poco X2 Pro or Poco X2, they were slightly different out here. And now when we specifically talk about Poco X2, then we can say that it has got a very good performance as well as a very good battery life. Yes, overall, if we talk about the battery life, we talk about the performance of this gadget, this is really amazing. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that the specifications it offers, whether it's in design, its display, its software inbuilt in it, its camera quality, its specifications, like storage out there, connectivity, everything is worth it. Like you can invest your money with these specifications. You can definitely try this one out. As well as when we talk about the camera quality, then there is a disadvantage with most of the phones out there in 2020, that they do not offer good quality of photos in low or dim light. Low or dim light photos are not very clear out here. So this is a disadvantage out here with most of the 2020 released out. It is also slightly heavy, and we can say that it has got inbuilt ads, boardwares out there which are in UI out in this Poco X2. So overall, if we have to rate this variant, we can say that overall rating would be 8. Yes, this is a variant which we will rate 8. Not very good. We won't say that this variant is very, very good. But definitely it is worth investing. You can definitely check out this variant because this offers you great specifications. As well as within 20k you get to have these kind of specifications, cameras and storage, so that is really amazing. Moving ahead, we have our Realme 6 Pro. और Realme 6 Pro की बात करें तो Realme 6i की comparatively this is a quite slightly expensive out here, but not very expensive, and the specifications are also slightly differing out there. Yes, there are minor differences out there because of which pricing has definitely changed out. Now, talking about this variant, we can say that the camera is really not good in low light. As we already said that 2020s, most of the models have a disadvantage of low dim light camera. So this is somewhat related to this also. It is somewhat bulky. It is slightly heavy as compared to Realme 6i out here. Yes, Realme 6i comparatively, this is slightly heavy out here. You will also find that this has got a decent selfie camera. If we talk about the selfie camera, that is really nice. And when we talk about comparatively, we talk about this variant and it's another variant that is 6i, then the camera is very decent out here. Yes, camera is very decent. If we talk about Realme 6 Pro and compare with Realme another versions out there, then the camera is quite decent. Overall, if we talk about the performance, that is amazing out here. Overall performance is great out there, as well as the design is quite attractive. You'll find a very attractive design out there. Talking about this variant, we can say that it has got quick charging and a great battery life. Yes, battery life is really amazing on a very good charging out there. So overall, we can provide it that it has got 8.5. We can rate it out. Yes, we can rate it out 8.5. But battery life is super amazing. You can definitely invest in this product, as well as the inbuilt softwares are super duper amazing for this variant. Like you talk about the chip system, you talk about the Android inbuilt in, you talk about the CPU, GPU out there, they all are super duper amazing in this variation. Now, when we talk about another variant, we can say that Samsung always brings something exciting for us. And we can say that Samsung Galaxy M31 is super amazing in battery life. Yes, when we talk about battery life, then we can rate it 100 and 100 out of 100. Yes, we can rate it 100 out of 100 out there. Because it provides you super amazing battery life in 2020's model. अगर हम 2020 के अब तक की release की बात करें, we talk till now, then we can say that Samsung Galaxy M31's battery life is super amazing, that it has beaten all the gadgets out there within Samsung Galaxy series itself also. Let us talk about other functions also. Like when we talk about the design, we can see it has got a very good design, very good structurality out here. Whereas you will find that it has got almond display inbuilt in it. That is a super amazing thing out there. But there is a slight drawbacks also to, we can say, camera quality. Yes, if we talk about the camera, so the camera is slightly, we can say, a disadvantage to this. So overall, if we talk about this variant, we can say that it has got really good performances out there, a good video quality, photo quality. Like daylight में काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा है ये variant. But the camera is slightly weak in this variant. मतलब overall, if we talk about each and specific design software, if we talk about each and specified way, then we would say the camera would be the least attractive thing for this variant. As well as when we talk about this variant, then we can say that it has got a spam of notifications out there. Yes, there is a spam of notifications, low light problem in camera, poor video stabilization in it. So there are few disadvantages to this variant also. But when we talk about Samsung Galaxy M31, we can say that this variant offers you a good software. Yes, number one, the attractive function or the attractive point is the battery life. It has got super amazing battery life. The second will be the softwares inbuilt in it. Yes, the softwares inbuilt in it are super amazing. So overall, we talk about this variant, then we can say these are the two most important points, as well as camera is the least attractive point for this variant. Talking about another variant, let us go ahead with Realme X2 out here. और Realme X2 की बात करें तो इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ disadvantages नहीं है. There are no disadvantages. And when we need to say about this variant, then we can say that it has a slight drawback with the low light camera. Yes, low light में video recording possible इतनी नहीं है. Low light video recording is slightly difficult out here. As well as it has got an amazing software and the performance out here. You will find some amazing softwares inbuilt in it. The Android, CPU, GPU out here, process speakers, they are super amazing. If we talk about the look of this variant, then we can say it has got a premium look. The look is really premium out here. Very good quality of structure, design it is. Camera is good for daylight, for capturing photos and videos in daylight. But low light में थोड़ी सी दिक्कत है, which we have seen in 2020 models out there. 2020 के models की बात करें तो mostly models have this problem. It has got a super nice and a super fast charging out there. Yes, you will find a super fast charging inbuilt in it with smooth gaming processor. So you will have this advantage of having Realme X2 when you have a game phone. It is not exactly a game phone, but if you are game freak, then it is a very smooth game performance gadget out there. So you can definitely check out this variant. Overall, if we need to rate this variant, then we can say that this can be rated out as 8.2. We can say, like, out of 10, 8.2 can be given out to this rating, whereas Samsung M31 would be 7.9. We can give to that. So overall, these ratings is not just because of like how this variant is, but ratings are because this helps you to know where this gadget stands for. Now let us talk about Poco F1 out here. F1 is not for the ones who are looking for Poco F1 racing out there or F1 something else, but Poco F1 can be said as a gadget which Xiaomi has brought really at a perfect timing. Yes. We can say that it is really a very amazing variant out here, offering you great performance, a great battery life, as well as a great software. So three specified specifications which we are looking for: battery life, performance, and the software. So these are the three very amazing and a very basic things which we look in any gadget. Now when we talk about these things, apart from these three things, there are few more advantages to this gadget, like it has got a very excellent body design. If we talk about the body design, then the body design is super amazing. You will find that this design is super duper different out here from the other gadgets, as well as you will find a very good battery life. डिजाइनिंग के अलावा इसमें अगर हम डिस्प्ले की बात करें, if we talk about the display out there, the type of display, then this is super amazing. Not very amazing, but yeah, worth investing for this. Yes, that is worth investing. But there are disadvantages of having this variant because it offers you a average recording, average camera light performance in low light. You'll find a low light camera. So this is a thing which we see in 2020 gadgets. Like 2020 has reduced the low light camera quality out there. Another major disadvantage to this variant would be the no video stabilization at 4K. Yes, you will not find any video stabilization at 4K. As well as you will find that this variant offers you a okay camera. Like camera is good. We won't say it is not good, but that will be the least attractive point. Now, number one will be the performance, its softwares, battery life, then the design, then the display, then will be the storage, and then will come the camera. So camera is the least attractive point for this. But overall, if we talk about this variant, then we can say then it can be rated out as 8 out of 10. Yes, you can rate it 8 out of 10. Now when we talk about another variant, that is Zenfone Z5. Z5 was a variant which was released out for a specified reason under this category. Like when we talk about Zenfones, then they are quite pocketable. They are mostly of most of them are quite pocketable. But when we talk about this variant, then we can see that it is slightly expensive. Maybe because of the reason that it has got super amazing performance, super duper amazing softwares inbuilt in it, great battery life, great display, and great design. So overall, if we talk about this variant, then it has got far more the best design, best display, best softwares inbuilt in it, best battery life. We can say overall this is super amazing functionality phone. Overall, if we have to rate this gadget, then it would be 9 or 9.2 out of 10. Yes, approximately 9 would be the rating we would give to this variant. Reason being, there is a super amazing design. If we talk about the design of this variant, then that is super amazing. This design is really, really great out there. Not just the design, the texture it has used, the display it is using, everything is great. When we talk about the softwares of this variant, they are super upgraded. We can say that they are useful upgraded software features. Yes, not just a normal upgraded version out there. They are useful as we can say, which are required at this particular time, they are at in this variant of itself. If you look at the Android used in it, that is the most popular right now. Talking about the chip system, CPU, GPU, everything is most demandable thing. So they have used this kind of a gadget. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that it has got a high resolution earphones bundles. This is something like related to the earphones. We usually don't see that earphones are actually that much given importance. Yes, earphones are not given that much importance, but when we talk about this variant, when we talk about Z5, Zenfone Z5 out there, then earphones are given that importance, and they are very high resoluted out there. As well as the camera is quite good. It might be the least thing to be seen. Like if we talk about the sequence which are attracting, number one will be the performance, then software, then then display, then design, then will be the battery life, then storage, and then camera. So that will be the least, but camera is really good. If we have to rate it overall, as I already said, 9 would be the rating, or 9.2 would be the rating we would give to this variant. But there are two drawbacks to this variant, two major drawbacks. Number one, it has slow face unlock. Like if you want to unlock your gadget through face unlock, that is slightly slow out here. We can say that that need to be slightly fast. It is slight slow, not very slow, but slightly slow out here. As well as talking about the resistance, it is not a very good resistance out here. Like resistance is slightly weak, or we can say that there is no water resistance, there is no splash or water resistance out here. So that is the major drawback to this. Otherwise, apart from these two drawbacks, there is nothing else that this phone would not be considered as a must try or a must phone out there. This is variant which we all would love to try out. And this is it for today. And I'll see you in the next video. And this is the channel where you get to have your favorite gadgets, latest news, and your favorite models which you can buy under a specified category. अगर आपको किसी और मॉडल के बारे में जानना हो, you would like to know something about any other model, or you have confusions which kind of models you should buy, then let us know in the comment section. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe to our channel. Until then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.